Have you ever noticed your stomach suddenly making loud noises, especially when you're hungry? Even when your stomach is empty, it continues moving and contracting as part of the digestive process. As these movements push air and liquid around inside your stomach, they create the rumbling sounds you hear. Your brain can also trigger these movements to remind you that it may be time to eat. Once you eat, your stomach focuses on digesting food and the rumbling usually becomes quieter. So the next time your stomach growls, remember, it's just your body doing its job.